In this video, I'll show you how to fix 888starz withdrawal problem. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888starz account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you go over here to your register's account, I go over to menu or settings and you go to withdrawal account. They're going to show you your withdrawal options. But in this case, we have a withdrawal problem. So for instance, if you have a withdrawal problem, like your withdrawal is not coming, and you click here and the withdrawal is not coming, what you have to do is to come back here to settings and you come to top, I click on support, I go to contacts. You are going to write an email to them, especially to a complaint, and explain to them you are not receiving your withdrawal. Then make sure to share your ID with them so that they're going to check it from the servers and see why your withdrawal is having any issues. If you don't know how to write a good email, you can always use ChatGPT to generate a good message for your email.